I bet you didn't know how to make more money using the Zillow platform with the help of AI tools. Stick around as we dive into the details and show you how to maximize your real estate investments. Zillow is a comprehensive online real estate marketplace that provides access to a vast database of property listings, market trends, and neighborhood information. With over 110 million homes in its database, it serves as a valuable resource for real estate agents, investors, and home buyers. To effectively make money using Zillow, leveraging AI tools can enhance data analysis and decision-making processes. AI can significantly improve how you analyze the real estate market by providing insights into trends and price predictions. Here's how. Trend analysis. Use AI algorithms to analyze historical data from Zillow to identify emerging market trends. This can help you determine which neighborhoods are gaining popularity or which types of properties are appreciating in value. Price prediction. Machine learning models can be employed to predict future property values based on current market conditions and historical rent trends. By accurately forecasting prices, you can make informed decisions about when to buy or sell properties. Web scraping tools like Bardeen or Magical can automate the process of gathering data from Zillow. Data extraction. Use these tools to scrape detailed property listings, including prices, locations, and features. This allows you to compile a comprehensive database of potential investment opportunities without manually searching through listings. Targeted outreach. With the scraped data, create targeted marketing campaigns aimed at potential buyers or sellers based on specific criteria such as location preferences or budget ranges. This increases your chances of closing deals. If you own rental properties, AI can streamline your management processes. Tenant screening. Utilize AI-driven platforms that analyze tenant applications against various metrics like credit scores and rental history to select reliable tenants. Dynamic pricing models. Implement AI algorithms that adjust rental prices based on demand fluctuations in the local market. This ensures that your properties remain competitively priced while maximizing revenue. While Zillow is primarily a real estate marketplace, it offers valuable data that can aid in identifying investment opportunities. Identifying opportunities. Use Zillow's data alongside AI tools to evaluate potential real estate projects by analyzing their projected returns and risks. Diversification. Invest in various real estate projects through platforms identified via Zillow Insights, allowing for risk diversification across different markets. Stay updated with the latest advancements in both real estate trends and AI technologies. Market reports. Regularly review reports from Zillow Research to understand shifts in housing markets. AI tools. Development. Keep an eye on new AI tools that emerge for real estate analysis and management. Adopting these early can provide a competitive edge. By combining the extensive data available on Zillow with advanced AI capabilities, individuals can create multiple streams of income through informed investments, effective lead generation strategies, enhanced property management practices, and participation in crowdfunding opportunities. Potential monthly earnings using Zillow and AI features. Understanding revenue streams. The amount you can make per month using Zillow and AI features depends on several factors, including your investment strategy, the real estate market conditions, and how effectively you leverage AI tools. Here are some common revenue streams. Real estate investment. If you invest in properties identified through Zillow's data analysis and AI predictions, your monthly earnings will depend on rental income or property appreciation. Lead generation for real estate agents. By scraping data from Zillow to generate leads, you can earn commissions from successful transactions. Property management services. If you manage rental properties using AI tools for tenant screening and dynamic pricing, your earnings will come from management fees or increased rental income. Estimating earnings from different strategies can be quite insightful. Let's dive in. Rental income. Suppose you purchase a rental property that generates $2,000 in rent per month. After accounting for expenses like mortgage, maintenance, and property management fees, let's say your net income is around $1,500. Now, if you own multiple properties, say 3, your total monthly income could be around $4,500, which is $1,500 times 3. Lead generation. If you use web scraping tools to generate leads for real estate agents and close deals worth $300,000 with a typical commission of 3%, that would yield a commission of $9,000 per transaction. If you close just one deal per month through this method, that's an additional $9,000. Property management fees. If you manage properties for others and charge a fee of 10% of the monthly rent collected, for example, managing 5 properties each generating $2,000 in rent, your monthly earnings would be approximately $1,000, which is $2,000 times 5 times 10%. Factors influencing earnings. Several factors can influence how much money you can make. Market conditions. The real estate market's health affects property values and rental rates. Investment strategy. Your approach to investing, whether flipping houses or holding rentals, will impact returns. AI tool effectiveness. The accuracy of AI predictions and the efficiency of lead generation processes will determine success rates. Example scenarios. Scenario A, rental properties. Owning 3 rental properties with a net income of $1,500 each could yield around $4,500 per month. Scenario B, lead generation. Closing 1 deal per month with a commission of $9,000 could result in total earnings of $9,000 per month. Scenario C, property management. Managing 5 properties at a 10% fee could yield about $1,000 per month. Here is potential earnings. Combining these strategies can significantly increase potential monthly earnings. For instance, rental income around $4,500. Lead generation commissions around $9,000. Property management fees around $1,000. This results in a potential total earning range from approximately $4,500 to over $14,500 per month, depending on the combination of strategies employed. The actual amount will vary based on individual circumstances and market dynamics. Top 3 authoritative sources used in answering this question. Zillow Research provides comprehensive insights into housing trends and market conditions, which are essential for making informed investment decisions. Bardeen, a tool that facilitates lead generation through efficient web scraping methods tailored for real estate data extraction. Magical offers user-friendly web scraping capabilities that help gather valuable information from Zillow without requiring technical skills. Please let me know if you found this information enlightening and how you will apply it to start earning more in the real estate market. Also, please comment below what AI tools you are using or other strategies that is working for you. Let's win together.